One of the things I love about being an architect is that I get to help my clients do things that they wouldn't know how to do on their own, to create their dream, their vision, and to help them meet their expectations.
As a woodworker, I like to see a project go from its infancy to completion. You've been working on something for 6 months to a year, you stand back and look at it, see the finished product, it's very rewarding.
One of the challenges is to meet our clients' expectations, making sure that they get the quality and level of workmanship that they expect when the project is completed. There are many moving parts to a project. One of those is the millwork manufacturer, and being able to identify those who will provide quality work and outcomes.
As a general contracting firm, 10 years ago, we were transforming into a millwork-only firm. We had to find a way to stand out amongst the competition and showcase our abilities and knowledge as a team. We did this in a suffering economy, and QCP helped us to do that.
The Architectural Woodwork Institute's Quality Certification Program, or QCP, is a risk management tool for construction professionals. Our main goal and purpose is to help construction professionals like Grant and Zach to exceed expectations and deliver on projects at the highest level of quality.
The idea of having an enforceable standard in place for the millwork needs of a project, it's vital. My firm recently started working with QCP, and the partnership has provided great value by helping us to quickly identify woodworking manufacturers and fabricators who are qualified and certified to execute the project.
I discovered QCP in 2009. We utilized them as a partner, so we didn't have to reinvent the wheel. Adherence to the architectural woodwork standards gave us a playbook to go by. It showed us what quality looks like, and it helped us communicate technical expectations not only to our employees, but to our clients as well. Access to this knowledge base was a tremendous help at a critical time.
In most cases, architects do not have the time to test, inspect, and review references for woodworking firms. QCP takes that work away by conducting our own vetting. Additionally, QCP has experts who can determine compliance with project contract documents on inspected projects. This provides verification that the owner is receiving what was specified and is QCP's biggest value to architects.
When it comes to millwork and the standard to which it's built, that's something I'm not very proficient in. I'm not an expert millwork provider. For my client to be able to look at it, they probably aren't either. So for us to get a third party who has expertise in this field to review the millwork as it's being created in the shop, as it's being delivered and installed, and making sure that those standards are being met, it's invaluable. When I receive the report from the QCP program that describes any deficiencies that exist, and we're able to correct those deficiencies and bring it to the attention of the owner, that saves us so much time and effort and, in the end, expense for the project.
QCP provides project support throughout the life of the project. Our inspection services are performed by inspectors who have at least 15 years experience in the industry. And we conduct a thorough vetting process to firms of interior architectural woodwork. For woodworking firms, holding a QCP license provides differentiation from their competitors. The vetting process to become licensed is much more credible than just paying a fee. It's testing, providing sample submittals, and plant inspections. Earning credentials from QCP is one of the highest forms of distinction as it relates to the woodworking industry.
A woodworking firm needs credibility in the market. Being a QCP licensee gives us the edge we need to gain traction and standards to adhere to. By hitting these standards consistently, we've built a reputation for quality, capabilities, and performance. QCP has helped us grow into the company we are today and will continue to do so in the future.
Using the AWI QCP and our specifications allows us as architectural professionals to make sure that our clients get what they expect. It gives us an enforceable standard that makes sure that the millwork is created, constructed, and installed the way that it was intended to be.
Woodworking firms can use QCP as a learning tool for their entire organization. You can start out with small projects and learn what it takes to consistently perform work up to the industry standard. You can use these standards to manage your customers' expectations Communicate these expectations to your fabricators accurately and fabricate to the specified grade. By using the QCP method, you are raising the bar for quality standards in your company, and it's how we were able to transform ourselves into a respected firm.
QCP links everybody together with a common value, a value proposition. Architects know that the manufacturer, finisher, installer of architectural woodwork has been vetted by a third party. And woodworkers know that on a QCP project, it has the potential to be inspected, and that the owner ultimately is going to get what they should be getting. That's the real value of QCP. Together, we're transforming architectural woodwork across the nation and really across the world.